Hello, and welcome to another installment of the Garden Guides. I'm Adam Gibson, and today we're going to take a tour of the garden center. It's planting season. As a result, we have tons of plants for that spot in your yard you've had your eye on. You've been paying attention to that spot? How much sun does it get? Morning sun, evening sun, maybe full sun. You want an annual or a perennial? Regardless of your goal, we're going to show you where to go. First stop's right behind me, sun annual section. Behind me is the sun annual section. This is where all the plants that love the sun hang out. As you can see above us, there's nothing. That means that this area gets full sun. And if you have a spot at home where you want to put a plant, gets that same full sun, you're going to want to come here and check out the sun annuals. Just remember, an annual won't come back after it blooms. Just opposite the sun annuals is the shade annual section. Underneath this pergola, you'll find all kinds of plants that love part shade. So if your spot maybe has a tree overhand or doesn't get that full sun that the sun annuals really crave, you could come over here to the shade annual area and find a great fit. Pottery. At JVI Secret Gardens, we do enjoy our wordplay, so this is the Terra Cottage. Can you guess why? It's full of terracotta. This pergola behind me has two signs on it. One says sun perennials, the other says shade perennials. This is our perennial section. Oh, welcome to the shade perennial section. If your spot at home has morning sun, evening sun, or filtered sun, this is where you could find your ideal plant. As we all know, annuals die every year. If you want a flower that comes back every year, come to the perennial section. And if the spot in your house gets full, hot afternoon sun, you want to come to the sun perennial section, right next to the greenhouse. Welcome to the back of the store. This is where the ponds are, and if you've been watching our videos, the Airstream. If you're in the market for a pond, come back here, take a look and see at the different sizes and styles we have. Or come back here just to hang out with the koi and get a moment to breathe. Thanks for going on this tour with me, and next time you come here, if you know what you're looking for, you know exactly where to go. But don't hesitate to ask us for any help, because that's why we're here. We're here to make sure that you get the plant you're looking for. That's the lot. Make sure you share that video with your friends, comment below if you have any questions, and hit that like button because it really helps us out. And while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe too. You can catch future garden guides, pond builds, and anything else that's happening at JVI.